should be watching your EWOs, everybody in these trades. This is going to dictate how this is moving. We did this yesterday. Remember, I said stop doing this. Can you guys see this?
Yeah.
Just take that away. That'll help you. See that? There you go. There goes your fear. Notice your fear is gone.
Yeah.
No more fear, because you know why? You should be watching right there. You're in a long hold.
Tesla first screen.
Once you've entered a long hold, you should be watching this mostly.
Okay.
And most people are up here. Oh, it looks like tweezers. Oh, now it's a engulfing candle. Oh, is this now I'm in a bearish triangle descendant pendant. I'm like, listen, dude, what's it doing right here? Okay, you're all set.
Did you pick up that resistance line from not just the...
Yeah, I did. It's from previous right here. It's from yesterday's post market. See this?
Okay.
Yep. And then, of course, so right here, you can draw one out. This is the strongest one. 88.30 is going to be the strongest resistance you're going to get all day. See it?
I see it.
So then what I do is I color code this green. Like there's the promised land. If it breaks that, you know, I'm a gazillionaire. But then I watch each one of these levels as they come up. So here's one, which, by the way, you can see it right here. Right here. See it?
Yep.
Then you got one here. So the next thing I would do is then I would draw this one out. There you go. So there's every level of resistance on your way through each one of those channels.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
So listen, who was in that AMD that you were up 60%? Do you see what I'm talking about?
I'm still in it, coach. And honestly, when I told you when I got into it when I did, I was just scalping, but it looked strong. And I just said, I'm going to stay in it.
Hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Just, you know, now listen, this is funny. You got in on a scalp, but you know what I would do? Treat it as a 2-minute, right? Because you got lucky. You got in at the right time, right? Because this told you to buy, which would have been back here, by the way, which you would have been in. And now go ahead and run it. But I told you, watch here, stop watching here. Right?
Yep.
And then I'm telling you, it'll take all the pressure away. All of it'll go away. It'll fade. Now you're coming up on a next hard level of resistance. So right here, if you had 10 contracts, shave 2, right? Or 3 or 5 or whatever you're comfortable with. You've already made all the money from here to here, right?
Yep.
And then if it decides to pull back and rip again, you're still in the game. But now you don't have so much that if it then decides to bleed all the way back down to VWAP, right, and you lose the profit.
Right.
And that's called shedding. So there you go, another master class.
Yeah.